If you're selling on Amazon, you probably know there is a big issue right now going on with the Section 3 suspension, all that stuff. But we are finally seeing people get reinstated, and a lot of people have been sharing their experience and what they had to submit to Amazon before getting reinstated. And in today's video, we are going to go over what you can actually send to Amazon, what you should do, what documents you should put together so you can get your account reinstated and get back to selling on Amazon, because it's Q4, and or at least some people were not really suspended, but were unable to actually get disbursement. So at least you can get that issue fixed and you can get your cash flow in order, so you can make a lot of money because it's Q4, right? So this is what we're going to do in today's video. Before we start, you're going to find 3 links in the description. First, 2 links for mentorship, all right? Second link, one-on-one coaching. If you need help to scale your Amazon business, you need the help of someone that actually did it in the past. Link in the description. Book a call with me. We're going to build a plan and we're going to make sure that you scale. You'll be in contact with me until you stop following this plan. I mean, as long as you follow this plan and until you reach your goal, you will have my contacts after the call and we can go over the plan. And if you have any other question, there's an easy way for you to actually contact me and make sure that you follow the plan to the end. And if we need to make some change, we can do it as well, all right? The link before that, mentorship program starting soon. Join the wait list if you want more info. It will come soon. I talked about it in a lot of other videos. Just watch these and you'll see what it is about. Third link that you're going to find, Discord server. If you want to grow on Amazon, you need to build a network. Best way to do it, join the Discord server, start talking to people, answer questions, or ask questions if you have some questions. And if you are starting being active, you'll start making some friends, all right? So let's get into the video. So what you're going to need to want to do if you receive the Section 3 performance notification, it's probably because Amazon was not really sure about the authenticity of some of your items, right? And so what you want to do if you received this email is basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to prove the chain of custody for your inventory, all right? Your inventory that is in question. So in the performance notification, you should have, like, they should have told you which ASINs were in review, right? And so what you are gonna need to do is prove that those items are authentic by showing the whole chain of supply for these items. So before you actually do this, what you want to do is actually put together all your business documentation. So your business formation documentation with your name, the name on your account on it, stuff like that. You want to have all this. You want to have a picture of your ID. People have reported that it actually helped with actually being reinstated. So get your business documentation, your business formation documentation, your EIN document, all that stuff, your ID, and after that you want to send them bank statements as well. So bank statements showing where you actually purchased your inventory and showing the transaction. Before you do this, there's one person that reported that explained a little bit how we did it on Twitter. His name is Grant Dunn. So Grant Dunn, at Grant Dunn on Twitter. Shout out to you for that tweet. So he said that basically what he did is, and my phone just fell. What he did was he built a one-page document. All right, a one-page document with he had 7 ASINs in question, and on that one-page document he put the 7 ASINs with the Amazon title and where they were purchased. All right, so what he did after that, credit card statements showing the transactions for those inventory, because he was doing OA as well. So if you are doing online arbitrage, do not be worried, okay? So he was telling basically, okay, so this ASIN XYZ was purchased, here's the Amazon title, here's where it was purchased, right? And so he did this for the 7 ASINs, and after that, what he did is not only sent the credit card billing information with the address of the prep center on the credit card billing information and the address of his business. He had two different credit cards with those 2 different addresses. And what he did after that is he submitted, he added to the packet, he added the order confirmation and the order delivery confirmation, right? Those two for these ASINs. If you do not have one, you only have one of those, it's fine, but try to submit as much documentation as you can, all right, to make it easy for them to understand where your inventory is coming from, all right? Next thing is he showed for every single one of those units to which FBA warehouse it was sent to Amazon, right? So he had like basically a page with all its Amazon shipments from the Amazon shipment tab on the Amazon Seller Central website. And what he did is it's all about showing the chain of custody, right? showing where your units went from first the supplier to the FBA warehouses. You need to prove all the steps, right? And it's pretty easy. You just prove that it was sent to your prep center with the order confirmation, that it was actually delivered with the email order confirmation, and then that it was shipped to Amazon, all right? And it was shipped to Amazon with, it was shipped to that specific FBA warehouses. That's pretty much all he did, the Amazon shipping page. And yeah, like, do not alter documentation, do not do any of that stuff. Pretty easy, just show the chain. And if you haven't done it yet, have something, even easy way to actually find back when you actually need it, find those things easily, right? If you want to do a spreadsheet with every single unit, and it will make your life easier whenever you have inauthentic complaints, stuff like that. I do not do it, I just do it whenever I have an inauthentic complaint. I used to do it when I was doing retail arbitrage because you need to be a little bit more organized. But yeah. Try to stay organized with your inventory documentation. It's simple, just show the chain of custody from the purchase until it was shipped to Amazon. Pretty much it, and show that there's a straight line in between those 2 points. That's it. If you prove this, you'll get back on Amazon. As always with Amazon, you may need to submit it multiple times. Remember that. Sometimes people will not even read your appeals, and they will actually decline your appeal. So in that case, you need to resubmit. There's nothing that you can do. All right. So stay strong. Keep submitting. Do it in the best way possible. Just follow the outline that I gave you today. If you want to see the actual tweet, go on the guide Twitter. This is one of the one that actually did the best explained. You may not need all those documentation. You may not need to submit your ID, your business formation documents, but it can help. It's better to have more documents, to show more documents than not enough, right? So yeah, do all this and you'll be, more than likely, you'll be fine. Okay, so do not get discouraged. You'll get your account back. Stay strong, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. If you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, watch these videos on the screen right now, and I'll see you tomorrow.